Welcome to my masterclass. Today I'm doing my version of a Nigerian snack. It's called Dambu-Nama. It's called Dambu-Nama. I'm going to teach you how to make this yummy snack. First we start off with some lovely chopped beef meat. Next we can add 1 chopped onion. Next we can add 1 chopped tomato. Then some lovely yellow and red pepper. Next we adding 1 cube of stock. A little bit of salt. And some water. Put your stove on a medium heat and wait for the meat until it's nice and tender. Continue stirring until all of the water is gone. All of the water is gone. Now for the next step. The meat is tender. Let's shred it. I haven't done this before, but I know it will taste really good. Let me taste. It tastes pretty good. My meat is all pulled apart and it's stacked in a tower. I'm going to make 2 flavors. A hot one for my mom and my dad, and a normal one for me and my brothers. This is a biltong spice. My mom and my dad, they are going to have biltong spice, chili spice, and ginger spice. This is for my brothers, biltong spice. The spice in my mom and dad's bowl. First, I'm going to do this one. Ginger. And chili. Let's mix it nice and well until it's nice and fluffy. My spice is well mixed and it smells so good. This is my meat. I'm going to add my biltong spice into the bowl. There's a spice waterfall coming through. You can taste it and you can add a little bit more spice. It needs a little bit more spice. Time to fry. 1 tablespoon of oil over medium heat. It's ready. I'm adding my meat. Use your spatula to stir and freeze at the same time. Stir until it's nice and crispy. When you see the color change, it's ready. This looks yummy. Let's taste some Dambu-Nama. Pretty good. There you have it. Guys can make this at home too. Please like my video, guys, and don't forget to subscribe on the red button below. Hope you enjoy our video. Bye!